Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course for beginners. In this video we are gonna take a first look at the number group in the Home tab. And basically this is gonna give us some basic options for formatting numbers in our worksheet. So in this stock list example, we have a number of different columns with different numerical values in there. And we want you to make it a little bit clearer. Which are currency values, which percentages, and just make the numbers a little bit easier to read. So for example, our unit price, we want to format this as currency. So we select the values we want to do. We can go to the little drop down list in our number tab and select currency, and will automatically format your cells as your choosing currency. The difference between your currency and your accounting formats in Excel is that your accounting format will have your currency symbols, so your pound sign or dollar sign, or whatever you have selected, to the left hand side of your cell. Also, if you put in a zero value anywhere, this will appear as a dash. So in this instance, we want to select currency and say we don't want to display the pennies. We can either increase or decrease and order the cell points by clicking on these buttons. So clicking the left will increase and order at decimal points, and clicking into your right will decrease. Equally, if we want to format something as number, we click on our little drop down, or we can go to more number format down the bottom of our list, or click on the little tab here, and you can select the same option, so number. This gives us a few additional options. We can select the number of decimal place we want, and equally, if anything appears above 1000, and we can select our comma separator, so those values are a little bit easier to read. And as you can see, our values above 1000 now have a little commas in there. So equally going through that for our other cells, but our currency format this as number, and again as currency. Now this last column has percentage values in there, but the moment they just appear as fractions, we want to make those appear as percentage number. We can do that by clicking on the percentage symbol here, and it will convert that number into percentage. Similarly to our other values, we can increase or decrease the number of decimal points by clicking on these buttons. There are a range of other different formatting options for our numbers. Some of other most useful in here besides the number and the currency accounting is our date format. So for example, if I type in first 1620, it should automatically format that as a date. And as you can see, this is appears as date. But you might want to change it so that the word actually appears. And you will get a range of other further number formats here, so you can change at the moment. I have set up so the date is showing for the states format. If you want your date to save here in English United Kingdom, it gives you a range of options as how you want that to look. So that's just a quick introduction to number formats within Excel. I will deliver in a later video into some more in the custom format. However, if there is anything particular you would like to know, please do let me know, and I see you next video.